welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a memorial cake. Now this is from a viewer of mine, and her name is Two Eternity Butterflies, is her username. Her name is Shelley. And she told me that she recently lost her son. And I'm very, very sorry to hear that. And so we talked about it a little bit, and I told her that I really wanted to make her a memorial cake for the channel. Unfortunately, this is also not the first child she's lost. So in a spirit of unity, of solidarity with someone who has lost a loved one, and I'm so sorry about that. This is my memorial cake for all of those of us who have lost ones near and dear to our hearts at whatever age that may have been. So let's get started.
I'm frosting an 8-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. I cleaned up the cake board. I rolled out some sky blue fondant and covered the cake with it. I want this to look heavenly. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother and my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I used a fondant press form to spell the phrase, "Too beautiful for earth," with dark blue fondant. My fondant was quite sticky though, so I put it in the freezer for just a couple minutes to help it firm up and allow me to remove it from the form in one piece. In the meantime, I used white fondant and this feather mold I bought just for this project to press out a feather. Now it was easy to remove the letters from the press form. I used the cold pack to cool the fondant to help it firm up as I continued to make the rest of the letters. And I placed the words centered on the bottom half of the cake. Then I proceeded to make a whole lot of white feathers. Some turned out better than others. I was able to use all of them though, because even the partial feathers tended to have nice points, which allowed me to make smaller feathers. Then I placed the feathers slowly onto the cake in the shape of 2 large angel wings. The longer feathers went on the bottom layer and they got shorter as they got higher. Then I rolled out some white fondant and cut out a whole bunch of tiny stars with a star cut out. I lined the bottom of the cake with a line of them and placed the rest along the side of the cake. This cake was inspired by angels. Angels too beautiful for earth, floating in heaven. All of us left behind on earth can take comfort in the thought that our loved ones are looking down on us from above. If you'd like to see more from me, consider subscribing. I upload a new cake every week. Or you can check out my cake gallery as well as my recipes and tutorial links, all gathered on my website, AmericanBakerInGermany.com. Visit us on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. We'd love to see you there.